In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your photos from Dropbox to Google Drive seamlessly. So let's dive into it. First things first, let's head over to the Dropbox website. You'll need to log in using your credentials. If you're not already signed in, enter your login details to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your files and photos displayed on the main interface. Locate the photos that you wish to transfer. You'll want to carefully select each one, ensuring they're the correct files. After you've made your selection, look for the download icon. It usually resembles a downward-facing arrow. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save these files on your computer. It's often most convenient to save them in a folder that's easy for you to find later, like your desktop or downloads folder. This part is crucial because it ensures you know exactly where your files will be when it's time to move them to Google Drive. Now that you have your files saved on your computer, we're ready for the next step. Open up your Google Drive in your web browser and log in if necessary. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu with an option labeled New. Give that a click. If you're already comfortable with dragging and dropping files, you can simply drag your photos from the folder on your computer directly into your Google Drive window. If you prefer using the Upload option, click File Upload after hitting New. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Find that folder where you saved the downloaded photos from Dropbox. Select the files you want to upload and confirm your choice. Google Drive will start uploading these files and you'll see a status bar indicating the progress. This is your assurance that the photos are being transferred. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a notification in Google Drive confirming the success of your upload. This means that your photos are now safely stored in your Google Drive, accessible anytime you need them, right alongside your other important documents and files. This simple process gives you peace of mind knowing your photos are backed up in a reliable place. And there you have it, you've successfully moved your photos from Dropbox to Google Drive without a hitch. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment on this video and we'll try to address your concerns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.